Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. So I'm gonna be showing you how to replace your air filter. Also unboxing the K&N filter I purchased. Figure I'd knock out both at the same time. So we got the air filter, decal, pamphlet, drops into decal. That's it. So we're gonna take this off the plastic. Alright, so what you want to do? Pull these tires back. This one back. And pull it out and lift it. Damn, this one was 30 or so. Oh shit. Alright, so when you put in the filter, the straight edge, let's go in. What the fuck? Alright, let's go in like this. What you do, after that, pop this back in. And make sure you put it behind those two tabs. You have to do it at an angle. And then once it's in, that's it. Wrong direction. Alright, once it's in, just put the tabs back in. And that's it. That's how you change the filter. See you guys on the next one. Peace.